Question number 76 on page number 5.100. Following is the balance sheet of X and Y as at 31st March 2020 who are partners in a firm sharing in the ratio 3:2. The balance sheet is given and then the certain adjustments are given. So first of all we need to calculate the sacrifice, gain or sacrifice, because the new profit sharing is given in point number E, 4:3:2. So I have taken the old share 3/5, 2/5 and the new shares will be 4/9 and 3/9. So the difference comes out to be 7/45 and 3/45. It means 7:3 will be the sacrificing ratio. Now the amount of goodwill which is to be adjusted, since it is given in point number G, Z is to pay an amount equal to his share in firm's goodwill valued at twice the average profit of the last 3 years, and the last 3 years profit are given 90,000, 78,000 and 75,000 divided by 3. So average profit is 81,000 and twice of it will be the firm's goodwill. So firm's goodwill is 1,62,000. So what will be the amount out of it that the new partner Z will be bringing? So that will be 2/9, whatever the share is there of Z. So that comes out to be 36,000 and this 36,000 will be adjusted in the sacrificing ratio in the partner's capital account. Now preparation of the revaluation account for question number 76. Provision, point number A is provision for doubtful debt is to be maintained at 5% on debtors. So let us compare how much we have observed the change. So 5% of 60,000, that is debtors, will be 3,000 and already we had a provision of 2,400. So what is the difference? That is increase has been observed in the provision, that is liability, and increase in liability for 600 is recorded in the debit side of revaluation account. Next point B is outstanding rent payable was 15,000. We do not see any outstanding rent in the balance sheet. So it means this 15,000 is increase in the liability, again recorded in the debit side of the revaluation account. Point number C is an accrued income of 4,500 does not appear in the books of the firm. It is now to be recorded. Accrued income, asset, increase in asset by 4,500 since it was earlier not recorded. Now it is to be recorded. So increase in asset will be recorded in the credit side of the revaluation account. Point number D is X takes over the investment and at an agreed value of 18,000. So 24,000 was the value of investment in the balance sheet and the partner is taking at a reduced value. So it is reduced by how much? 6,000. So two investment I have written here 6,000. So now adding up all the three minus 4,500. So the balancing figure will be distributed as loss among the existing partners in their old profit sharing ratio. This is to be distributed in the old profit sharing ratio. Now partners current account. Why we are preparing the partners current account? The current balances are given in the balance sheet 30,000 and 6,000. So balances I have written in the current account 30,000 and 6,000. Then the general reserve of 36,000 is there. In the old ratio it will be distributed. Then premium for goodwill, already we had calculated the premium to be brought in by the new partner 36,000. So that 36,000 will be distributed among the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. General reserve in old ratio, premium for goodwill in the sacrificing ratio. And the revaluation loss has been distributed here in the debit side. The goodwill is in the balance sheet, so again in the old ratio that will be distributed, and investment has been taken over by X, so 18,000 I have written here. Then we can take out the balances. It is also given in point number H that half of the amount of goodwill is to be withdrawn by X and Y. So 25,200 was the share of premium for X. Half of that amount has been withdrawn. So two bank account I have made the entries for half of these values. So 12,600 and 5,400. And then adding up all the sides, both the sides, and taking out the differences, we'll get the closing balances as 79,940 and 6,960. I'm not writing anything for Z because this is the current account and his amount will be the capital amount, share of capital. So that directly I'll be writing that amount in the balance sheet. Now here is the balance sheet. Creditors 45,000 I have written. Then outstanding rent 15,000 was to be recorded. Capital accounts 1,80,000 given in the balance sheet, 90,000 given in the balance sheet, and Z is to bring 60,000 as his share of goodwill. So that also as the capital. So that also I have written. And the current account balances for X and Y is in the debit side. So that will be appearing in the liability side. If it would have been in the credit side, that would come in the asset side. So that I have written. Then debtors minus provision 57,000 because new provision is 3,000. Patents 44,400. Then fixed assets 2,16,000 and accrued income that in the revaluation we have recorded 4,500. And the cash at bank will be adjusted how much has been brought. So that is 93,000. That is 15,000 plus the share of goodwill plus the share of capital that the new partner is bringing, and whatever is being withdrawn by the old partners, that too will be deducted. Then only we will get the balance of cash as 93,000. So that is to be remembered that 15,000 plus the amount of capital that the new partner is bringing plus the premium amount that the new partner is bringing, and whatever the amount is withdrawn by the old partners for their premium of goodwill, that will be deducted. Then we will get the balance as 93,000.